Have you ever struggled with making a decision between two things, not life or death, but you're not sure which one to do? And maybe there's even more options, but you're just not sure which one to go forward with yet. For example, maybe you want to live in another town and there's a couple different options. Maybe it's Florida, maybe it's Pacific Northwest, maybe it's South America, maybe it's Europe. What could you do in order to help you make a better decision and feel confident in your decision? How about dating them? So you take 3 days and you totally immerse yourself in those locations. Now, if you can't actually physically go and stay there, which would be my first recommendation, that is what I did before moving to Austin, Texas. We dated it for 3 days and we found so many things we loved and some things that we didn't love, and were they deal breakers or not? So there's different ways that you can go about doing this, but I recommend fully immersing yourself for 3 full days. Imagine as if you're actually fully living, breathing in that experience. If it's a business experience, maybe you're not sure which one to go in. Maybe you want to do more in person or you want to do online. Fully live that for 3 days and do it from the place of finding out and discovering what you love about it, what you don't like about it. Are these deal breakers? Are these things that I can address? Kind of like dating a person, 3 days, right? It's not life or death. You're not marrying the person. You're just seeing if this is a good fit from a place of staying relaxed, exploring, discovering. These are great things to keep you excited about what you're discovering, but also allowing yourself to learn. So when you go into that, and let's say it's day 2 and you're like, yeah, there's something about this that just isn't sitting right. And then if you stay curious and you investigate, oh, it reminds me of this. Okay, so then stay in it for another day or so and really gauge, what do you love about it? What do you not love about it? How is this workable? This is such a fun tool, and it takes some of the pressure off on making that decision. And what if you don't make the right decision? Well, you get to try them out. I hope that helps. See you next week.